Hello, my name is Jay and I'm the Clinical Services Manager here at Intus Healthcare. In this video, I'll explain how to adjust your humidity settings on your AirSense 10 CPAP machine. By default, your machine will be set on auto in the climate control settings. This is recommended for most users as the device has a humidity sensor within the machine which will detect humidification levels and adjust automatically. If you feel the level of humidity is not quite right, you can adjust this manually. Using the dial, scroll to Climate Control on your machine settings and gently press the dial to enter the settings. From here, you can use the dial to scroll down to Manual. Push the dial in to change to Manual mode. Now you will see the humidity level. We would advise starting at 4, but you can adjust this between being off and up to as high as 8. The heated tube will work together with the humidifier to increase the temperature of the water as it passes through the hose. This will further increase the comfort of the therapy. You can find our customer reviews on Trustpilot and Google. For any advice or guidance, call us on 0800 024 8050 or email us on contact@intushealthcare.com.